Hello everyone, I wanted to talk about this Vevor ironing board, which was given to me to test and review. It comes in a box like this, and all you need to do is unwrap it and pretty much screw in the front two legs, so everything is really easy to put together. It comes with this nicely designed silver-plated cover, which is heat resistant, and they gave you an additional cotton replacement cover, which you can swap out as well. It comes with 4 layers, that cover that I just talked about, and a sponge padding layer, a cotton layer, and it has this heat-resistant breathable panel underneath. This is easy to unfold. It has 10 adjustable heights from about 25 to 38 inches high. What I do is I set it on the floor and you just pull the side handle, and then you can lock it into place for the different height adjustments. This has some additional features from your normal ironing board. It has a slide-out iron holder, which you can keep your iron on. You could also hang clothes off of it, like dress shirts and slacks, when you're done ironing them. It also has a storage rack, which gives you more space to put items onto. The ironing board measures about 55.5 inches by 14.5 inches. This is nice and compact to store vertically, so you can store it in your closet, your laundry room, behind a door, or any other places that you'd like to put it. It's fairly sturdy and pretty easy to use, just like any other ironing board. So all in all, this is a nice ironing board with those extra features, with that slide-out iron holder and storage rack. I enjoyed testing and using this. It's a great addition to have in your house for all your ironing needs. I hope this video is helpful. Thanks for watching.